Good morning.
Good morning.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
What's up?
Not much, you.
How are you doing?
Doing well, thanks.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you later.
See you.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please.
Thank you.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Can you help me?
Sure, of course.
What do you need?
Some directions.
What time is it?
It's 7:30.
Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
What's your name?
My name is Emma.
Where do you live?
I live in Los Angeles.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
How much is this?
It's $12.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Can I have the bill?
Here it is.
How's the weather?
It's sunny today.
What's your phone number?
It's 310-564-7890.
I don't understand.
Could you repeat that?
What's your favorite food?
I love burgers.
Can you speak slowly?
Sure, no problem.
Can I ask a question?
Sure, go ahead.
What time does the store open?
It opens at 10 a.m.
Can you show me the way?
Yes, follow me.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love it.
What do you like to do?
I like reading.
How can I get to the station?
Go straight, then left.
What day is today?
It's Tuesday.
I'm hungry.
Let's get some food.
I'm tired.
You should rest.
What are you doing?
I'm studying English.
Can I sit here?
Sure, go ahead.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite color?
I love blue.
Do you want to walk?
Yes, let's go.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Can I borrow your pen?
Of course, here it is.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you want to go for a walk?
Yes, let's go.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Can I borrow your pen?
Of course, here it is.
Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
What's the weather like?
It's snowing today.
Can I help you?
No, I'm okay, thank you.
What time is the movie?
It starts at 8 p.m.
How far is it?
It's about 15 minutes away.
I'm thirsty.
Let's grab a soda.
Where's the bathroom?
It's down the hall.
How long have you been here?
I've been here for 1 hour.
Can you tell me your name again?
My name is Sarah.
What do you think?
I think it's awesome.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards.
Do you want to join us?
Yes, I'd love to.
It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the mall.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
How much does this cost?
It's $12.
Can I sit next to you?
Sure, no problem.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy hiking and reading.
Are you busy?
Not at the moment.
How do I get to the airport?
Take the subway or a cab.
Do you want to eat something?
Yes, let's have lunch.
Can you wait for a moment?
Yes, I can.
What's your job?
I'm a nurse.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I love basketball.
How's your family?
They're doing great.
Can I help you with that?
Yes, thank you so much.
Where do you work?
I work at a bank.
Can we meet tomorrow?
Yes, let's meet at noon.
What's your favorite movie?
I like comedies.
How do you feel today?
I feel amazing.
Are you free tonight?
Yes, after 7 p.m.
What are you thinking about?
I'm thinking about dinner.
What's the date today?
It's November 12th.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, I'd like coffee.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is in May.
Can you open the window?
Sure, no problem.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with friends.
Can I use your phone?
Yes, here you go.
What's the plan for tomorrow?
We're going to the beach.
Can you close the door?
Yes, I'll close it.
What do you want to do today?
I want to go shopping.
Are you coming with me?
Yes, I'm coming.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually sleep at 11 p.m.